This video shows you how to replace the PIC tires of your printer. Depending on your printer model, the appearance may vary. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet and then from the printer. Open the front door and then firmly push it down. Pull out the print cartridge tray. To prevent stray toner contamination, place a sheet of paper on top of the print cartridge tray, then insert the tray. Close the front door. Remove the tray. Remove the waste toner bottle. To avoid spilling the toner, place the bottle in an upright position. Position the printer on its side. Remove the used PIC tires. Unpack the new PIC tires. To prevent contamination, make sure your hands are clean. Insert the new PIC tires. To verify proper installation of the new PIC tires, make sure the rubber seats between the ribs at each end of the hub. Return the printer to its original position and then insert the waste toner bottle. Open the front door and firmly push it down. Pull out the cartridge tray. Remove the paper and then insert the print cartridge tray. Close the front door. Insert the tray. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.